In this video, I will show you how to fix Valorant Error Code VAN79. Click on Start menu and search for Services. Open the Services window. Scroll down or press V on your keyboard to quickly find VGC. Double-click VGC. Change Startup type to Automatic. Click Apply, then OK. Double-click VGC again and click Start. Click OK, then close the Services window. If it also doesn't help, click Start and search for CMD. Right-click Command Prompt and select Run as Administrator. Type the following command and press Enter. NETSH space winsock space reset. Next, type ipconfig space /flushdns. Press Enter and close the command prompt window. So that should fix your issue. If it also doesn't help, click Start, search for Settings and open it. Go to Update and Security, then Windows Update. Check for updates and install any pending updates. If it also doesn't help, go back to Settings. Click Network and Internet. Under Advanced Network Settings, click Network Reset, then press Reset Now. Restart your computer when prompted. If it also doesn't help, locate the Valorant directory on your computer. Find the Valorant shortcut or executable files. Right-click on Valorant and select Properties. Go to Compatibility tab. Check Disable Full Screen Optimizations. Check Run this program as an administrator. Click Apply, then OK. After applying these solutions, restart your PC and launch Valorant to see if the error is fixed. That's it. Now you know how to fix Valorant error code VAN79. If this video helps, like, share and subscribe.